Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back again with another RC car. Today we have the Enos Off-Road 1/10 scale brushed car from Amazon. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is the brand new Enos Off-Road RC car from Amazon. This is a 1/10 scale truck. It's brushed. It has a 540 motor in there and comes in at around 130 bucks. So in the box, you're going to get your truck, your remote, which is just your typical remote here. It comes with the 3 AA batteries that you need, so this truck is completely ready to run. You'll also get two 1700 milliamp hour 7.4 volt lithium ion batteries, so they do give you two, which is nice. Just your typical USB charger. You can charge these up on a fast charger if you want. You also get just a screwdriver there, some body clips, and then your wrench for just kind of working on the car. The car has kind of like an exoskeleton, which is nice. It'll keep the car protected. It also comes with the plastic wrap on the body, so I haven't taken that off yet, but once we do, this car will have a bit of a shine to it. The tires are kind of squishy. They are air filled and there's no venting in them, so they're kind of just loose on the rim there, which is a different type of tire that you don't normally see on kind of hobby grade cars, but it'll work here. You also have a fully functional rear tire. You can take this off. It is just body clipped on in the back there. Inside the owner's manual, if you're looking for replacement parts or upgrades, this kind of goes over everything that you need for the car. This looks like these are PXToys part numbers in here. So this model is the number 9204E, and then you can see a couple other ones in there as well. You'll also have your part numbers in the back here if you in case you need to order anything else. You got your exploded view of the car, which is really nice, and you'll probably be able to find these on Banggood. I will list this car from Amazon as well as Banggood if you want to wait a month or two, or you can get it from Amazon for a couple extra bucks in a couple days. So your box isn't really anything special. They do have some cool graphics on here. On the back, you kind of just have your basic info about the car. Just saying oil-filled shocks, so these shocks are oil-filled. It looks like we have some metal gears, metal drive shaft in the middle along with some metal input gears there, and two different models here. We have the 9204E. Alright, so moving back to the car, to get the body off, you're going to have your 4 body clips, 2 up front, 2 in the back. And once you take that off, you're looking at just your basic car, and it kind of looks weird with that big shell on it. So you have your big body posts up back that kind of keep that Jeep body up in the air. So you just have your basic setup, your motor, ESC receiver combo, and a 5-wire steering servo. So if you want to upgrade this, you're going to have to upgrade some of the other electronics. You also have just your battery tray here. You might be able to fit a little bit bigger battery in there, maybe use some Velcro straps if you want to put something in there that doesn't really fit. None of the steering links are adjustable, but you do get metal input cups here, also metal CVD drive shafts in the front and rear, which are pretty nice, and 12mm hexes on the wheels. The body is all plastic. Steering components are all plastic. Front and rear arms are also plastic here. You do have a little metal plate there, kind of like a skid plate, which is kind of nice. So as I was saying, you have a ton of adjustability on this car. When it came in, it has the shocks all the way out. So this is kind of running for a street car. you can put these in farther and get a little bit more ride clearance in the front and back, which is really nice. As you can see on the front here, you also have a bunch of room there and up top to kind of change that around. So we can go ahead and plug in this battery. This is one of the charged ones. We will turn on our remote and our receiver. Steering seems pretty quick, which is nice. And so no ballooning of the tires on the stock battery. We will go ahead and do a speed test on this next video, along with running a speed test on 3S. So next I'm going to go ahead and take off this cage and rip off that plastic protective layer, and we'll get a couple shots of the car then. In order to take the shell off, all you have to do is take off 2 screws here and 2 screws on the other side. Pull out the clip on the back to remove the tire, and this will come right out. I think one last thing to make this truck complete is our brand new 413RC stickers. And this car is ready to hit the trails. If you guys want to see more about this car, hit the thumbs up. I'll put a link, like I said, to the Amazon listing of this car as well as Banggood. Alright guys, so we're going to leave it there with this video. We will see you in the next one. Thanks.